Hi everyone. Today we are learning a very important topic, variable with Python. So what is a variable? So variable is a symbolic name used in programming to store data. So variables hold data temporarily and used to perform operation on that data or retrieve data when needed during the program execution. So in a program, variables are defined like this. So variable name equal value. So regarding variable name, this is a name assigned to a variable. So variable name are typically composed of letters, numbers, and underscores. And it's generally recommended to use meaningful name. And variable names are case sensitive. So let's say variable name and variable name. So they are different variables. And regarding value, so this is a data that the variable holds, which can be integer, floating point number, string, list, dictionary, or other data type in Python. So the primary purpose of variable is to reuse, manipulate, and keep track of data. So variables provide flexibility to program, allowing it to work with different data. So they are used in various tasks such as calculation, string operation, data storage, and like searching. So, okay, yeah, this is not meaningful name. So let me change the variable name. So, for example, if you want to keep your age, maybe variable name is age, and so I'm 40, so that's why 40. Yeah, very simple. And if you want to check the contents of variable, so you can use like a print function and passing the age. And when execute this program, so you can get 40 here. And yeah, we talk about the data type in the next video. So let's see another example. So let's say first name equal. So my name is Ken. So Ken, and print first name, and let's execute. So 40 is coming from age, and first Ken is coming from first name. Yeah, looks good. So that is a variable. In the next lecture, we are going to learn data type. So I'll see you in the next lecture.